Hello, my name is Stephen Sprague and I'm CEO of Wave Systems. And we're here to show how vPro technology from Intel can provide better manageability of encrypted hard drives. So we've brought with us today two Dell Latitude laptops. Each of these has an encrypted hard drive in the machine. And the purpose of an encrypted hard drive is in the case that you lose your laptop or lose control of your laptop, that the data is safe. Now this is accomplished by providing a password to unlock the hard drive. The problem with that is that that password has basically really stopped the manageability of these machines, because I have to have a user interaction with the client machine to accomplish that. So we're here to show how vPro technology can provide an out-of-band management of the credential for the encrypted drive and unlock the machine. So first we'll start by just powering on the computer, and we can do this with vPro technology across the network, and we wake up the computer. Once the machine wakes up, you stop at this screen where I have to enter a password. And this is typically where manageability has been a real problem, because I can't unlock this without somebody physically present at the computer. So now we're able to perform an over-the-network unlock of the computer. And so he'll perform an unlock, and we'll watch that the machine actually will now boot to Windows without us entering any password into the computer. And so it's fairly quick, and it provides now a machine that's open and available for manageability. You could re-image this computer, you could modify different configurations or settings, deploy new applications, whatever's necessary over the network, and then power it off. So the next thing that we'll show is a slightly different scenario, and this is where the computer actually requests from the server to be automatically unlocked. So first, on the server, we'll set this computer up to have an auto-unlock sequence. And here what we're doing is we're involving the physical network as part of the security picture. So this is like a workstation console, like a nurse's workstation in a hospital would be a good example, where you have many, many users of the computer, and you don't want to train each individual user with the password for the encrypted hard drive. So this simple act of powering on the computer will make a request to the service and request an unlock, but it will only function if it's plugged into the correct port. So first we have to turn off the computer. We're doing that now. And one of the important things while we wait for the computer to shut down and then we'll boot it back up again is that we use a very secure protocol to pass these authentication credentials to the hard drive. So in essence what we do is we calculate a request, send that to the server calculates a response based on that originating request, and that combination of the codes requested by the hard drive, the response from the server, effectively unlock the laptop. This is a unique transaction. It's different every single time there's a request. So watching the wire will not get you the credentials to unlock a machine. And if you were to steal the database from the server, it doesn't contain all the passwords for all the laptops. So we effectively provide a very secure management mechanism for the machine. So now with the computer shut down, we're ready to start it up and perform an automatic unlock. So all I do is push the power button, and the computer will wake up. It will come to the pre-boot screen for the encrypted hard drive, and it will make an automatic request to the server, so no user interaction is required at all. This is a great solution for a financial services floor or an engineering floor where I have many different users using laptops as part of their daily work, but those laptops are not intended to travel outside the building. As long as they're plugged in inside my facility or on the correct LAN segment, these computers will boot. And so this is booted to the Windows Start screens. And that provides a very simple, very easy to use, in essence passwordless full disk encryption. So it offers a really strong solution for organizations that want to deploy encryption on every machine but don't want the burden of training their users to a new password for their computer. So the final solution that we'll show is a scenario where I have a laptop I use every day, so I have a password I type in every time I boot the machine, but now I want to drop my computer off at the admin pool and have them be able to boot the computer. And so in this case, what will happen is I drop off the computer, and instead of putting a sticky note on the computer with my full disk encryption password, what I'm able to do is they plug it into an authorized port, and that authorized port is involved in unlocking the machine. And so, as an admin, I would push the power button to boot the machine. Again, I will come to the full disk encryption password request screen. And when I arrive at that screen, I'm able to provide a key sequence that makes the request to the server to perform an automatic unlock. And so I'll provide, in this case, a control P. And all I'm doing is asking the server to please unlock this machine. The server is deciding, is this a machine that's plugged into the correct port? Am I allowed to unlock it? I could include other characteristics like time of day or day of the week. So perhaps I wouldn't be unlocking any machines in the admin pool on Sunday afternoon because the administrators are all watching the football game. They're not actually maintaining their computers at that point in time. So those are decisions that can be made by the IT policy on the server. So what we've done now is effectively unlocked the computer. I didn't have to share any of the passwords. The administrative staff did not have to be trained on any passwords. They didn't have to know any passwords in order to effectively unlock full disk encryption. So it provides a very easy to use and very easy to manage solution for data encryption. This solution provides a great answer to the problem of the trade-off between security and manageability. By combining the Wave Systems Enterprise Server and Intel vPro technology, it's now possible for the corporation to be able to have full control of their encrypted solutions in the marketplace and to provide an easy-to-use and easy-to-manage solution. For more information on this, you can go to the vPro Expert Center. There's also more information at Wave's website on both the encrypted drive solution as well as the vPro technology. Thank you very much.